Hey, for my birthday, I was gonna give you some clay to make a pinch pot, and we're gonna glaze. You get to pick what color you want it, and you can make a dog or a cat or an animal. And we're gonna glaze it for you. You get to pick the color. So this is how you make a pinch pot. So first, you want to smooth out all the cracks in your clay, so it doesn't dry out that fast, and then you want to put your thumb in the middle and start pushing it inside, and take your other fingers and pinch it and turn it along while you spin, while you pinch it. Turn it while you spin it. And so you might want to dig a little deeper. Sometimes you might want to do this. You gotta push down so the bottom's not too thick. So you might want to get some water to get your clay more wet. Use too much water or it could get really messy. I put my fist in. If your clay gets really dry, you might want to go around with a sponge. So you'll want to take a second to smooth all those cracks out. And then, after that, you can take this poker and poke little designs in it. Or a stamp, or a tube thingy. This, where your dad's screws lying around. And so after you do that, you want to decorate it. And then after you decorate it, then you want to take the bag the clay came in and set it carefully back in the bag, and so it doesn't dry out and crack. And then you want to do this, and then bring it back to us. And then after you bring it back, we'll let it dry completely and we'll glaze it, and that'll take about 3 weeks. I don't know. I made this little hedgehog, and you can look up some videos on YouTube and about making little clay stuff. And this little hedgehog, I use this poker to make lines on his back, like textures. And here's my pot, because my dad put some legs and some designs on it for me while I was working on the video.